Family, my dear children, I'm happy to share with you some advice on how to maintain strong bonds with our family. Family is one of the most precious treasures in our life, and it is most important to cherish and protect it. Firstly, communication is the key to maintain strong bonds with your family. Take the time to talk to your loved ones regularly. Ask them how they are doing and share your own experiences with them. Be honest and open in your conversations, and don't be afraid to express how you feel. Secondly, try to spend time together regularly. Whether it's by organizing family meals, outings, or vacations, make sure to plan moments where you can all come together and enjoy each other's company. Additionally, be tolerant and respectful towards each other. We all have our own opinion and ideas, but it is important to respect those of other family members even if we do not always agree. Finally, don't forget to show gratitude towards your family members and tell them how much you appreciate them and what they mean to you. Small acts of appreciation can make all the difference in maintaining a close and loving relationship with your loved ones. I hope these tips will be helpful in maintaining strong bonds with your family. Always remember that family is a source of strength and support, and it is important to cherish and protect it. With all my love.